Last weekend, my cousin, Jake, and I found ourselves at my Uncle Bob's garage sale. Uncle Bob, known for his peculiar taste, had an array of oddities on display, from a collection of mismatched socks labeled Footloose and Fancy Free to an old rotary phone with a sticky note that read Wireless Wonder. But the pièce de résistance was an antique laptop featuring a typewriter keyboard. Jake and I exchanged puzzled glances as Uncle Bob dramatically waved his arms like a game show host. "This here," he announced, "is how we typed up demand back in the day." We chuckled, thinking he was joking, but Uncle Bob was in full salesman mode. A curious crowd gathered, and people started placing bids, captivated by the quirkiness of it all. As the crowd thinned, Jake asked, "Uncle Bob, what's the deal with the typewriter laptop?" With a cheeky grin, Uncle Bob replied,